Uh, I live in Kuzbeh district of West Bengal. I have done my secondary education, and if I talk about my hobbies are uh, playing, watching YouTube videos, listening to music. But sometimes I play keyboard, instrumental keyboard.
It's all about you.
This is my little bit introduce.
Okay, nice to hear and very nice intro. And so now it's my part. So my name is Rashpal. I'm from UP, and I have completed my master with political science. My hobbies are reading books, diary writings, and practicing yoga. So it is all about me. Thank you.
It's nice introduce from your side.
So do you have any topic?
Actually, I don't have any topic, so we can discuss randomly, generally conversation.
Okay. Tell me about your YouTube channel, how it's going on.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, there is not my YouTube journey. Actually, I started to learn English language when I bought a smartphone. Uh, on that time, I think if I have a smartphone, so I should learn something important things in our life by YouTube, through mobile phone. So that's why on that time I started to learn English language. This is the only reason behind my learning English language.
Yes, nice reason. And like when we are learning this language, so we meet new kind of the people, new person. So we understand their perspective and their thinking, and we learn a lot of things from them. It's not about that we know everything, because we can take, the right thinking from anyone and from everywhere. So yes, nice. So I'm asking about your YouTube journey. How many subscribers are there with you, and is it growing or just going very slow?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, my YouTube channel is so poor because I have a YouTube channel, but uh, uh, few days I have upload some videos, uh, but uh, because I am a son of a farmer, so that's why sometimes
I
I could not upload any video on my
okay.
YouTube channel because I have to do some work,
I can understand. Yes.
agriculture.
Uh, yes. Yes. You mentioned that your father is farmer. My father too is farmer, and I think there is no issue if your parents are the farmer. It's
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah.
There should be proud
But
for that.
apart from that, all is okay.
Okay, all is well.
All is well.
Yes, nice. And so yes. So when did you join this group? I'm asking, when did you join this group?
Yeah, yeah, of course. I have joined this group in this group around 7 months ago.
And what is the environment? How is the weather in West Bengal? Because in UP there is a rainfall is taking place, and now weather is, I think, very pleasant compared to last couple of days, because there was, I think, too much hot. But now I think the weather is little bit decent. How's weather?
With, weather is good. It's a rainy season, and it's have been raining for a few
Yes.
days. here. So it's
And
nowadays it's not too cold and not it's
yes,
good weather now.
yes, and like you are standing right now, there is too much green. I think greenery. I mean, so many trees are there. Very pleasant environment behind you.
Actually, I am on the road right now. I think some people are working from your side.
No, it's just food is preparing.
Because
Yes,
I heard some noise. That's why I
yes,
asked you.
you hear right. Okay, so do you want to ask me? Because I have asked so many things to you, and I have asked so
Yeah,
many
yeah, yeah.
questions.
Of course. Of course, of course. So, when did you start your English journey, your English spoken journey?
Yeah. So I started last year in the October month, and since then I'm consecutively and increasingly practicing, and I think I'm also doing great. I started my journey in the last year.
Uh, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have,
So,
but like you, as you mentioned that you are not so active on your YouTube channel because you mentioned that you have to work in your field. So I'm a student, and basically I'm also from the rural area, but now I'm living in the city. So yes, I'm also not so active on the YouTube, but I think it may be that from the next month. It may be the July. I think July or August. I also will be little bit active compared to now.
do you use another application for practice speaking, spoken
No,
practice?
I no. I think there are groups I just talk on the meetup, and there are some others. I don't have any further groups. There I think so many people are there on the meetup. We can talk to them, and even we also don't. No one has the time to talk. So many learners. Sometimes it's happens that we don't get the right person to
Mhm.
talk. And do you have
Uh,
any other group?
no, 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 no. I am only I am active only this app Skype
Okay.
and
If you have, so please inform me. Actually, I want to join another group, which may be new group, because I think I mean I have talked so many learners, so I want to join new group if there is any group. So you can tell me.
actu- actually I don't know which group is better, but uh, you should join advanced level group.
Yes, this is what I'm trying to say, and
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think I'm the in the upcoming days I would join some online institution. I mean some online platform just for a month because I think I have been talk around more than the 6 months. So I just want to talk. I want to move on the some advanced level.
Do you know English theory?
Yes, I can.
English theory.
I know.
You can try in this app. I think
Yes,
it's a payable app. I
yes,
think you have to pay for
yes,
this app.
and yes, you are true. And see, I mean nowadays so many learners are taking the I mean the sessions on the English sharing. It is being very famous. To the English sharing. I'm talking about English sharing. Yes. So have you taken the session on the English sharing? I'm asking, do you take the sessions on the English area?
No, 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 no. Uh,
Okay,
I I watched some video of English theory on YouTube, but I
okay,
don't take.
okay, all right. So you watch the videos on the English area, but you didn't take the session. It's nice. Okay. And anything else? I think you are why you are not speaking. Just ask me something else. If because when we talk on the topic, so we can go in the very deeper level. But if we don't have the topic and we are talking very normally on the random topics, so we don't have the the questions to ask to each other.
Actually,
Yes. Okay. Just tell me one thing. We are talking. I think more than it has been almost 15 minutes. So you have used actually so many times.
yeah, of course. So we
Yes.
shall.
No. I'm saying that you have used actually, but so many times. So you should not use actually, but again and again. Instead of you can choose like well, see, look. This kind of the buts you can use instead of using the like you use the actually but.
Um, it's my habit.
Yes, but you
So,
should improve it. You should improve your
yeah,
habits
of course.
because because ultimately we are trying to be better person in spoken english, so we should add new things in our our skills. So because nowadays I'm also trying to find out some shortcoming which I also use. Yes. So would you upload this session on the your youtube channel?
Sorry.
I'm asking, would you upload this session on your youtube channel?
Yeah, if you agree, so I will upload this session on my YouTube channel.
Of
If
course, I'm
you
agree.
have,
I'm agree. All is well. All is well. I'm totally
yeah,
open.
okay. So then
Yes. So
I will upload this session on my YouTube channel.
yes.